Bud, you ready to go, Grandma's? Let's go. Come on, you ready to go, Grandma's? Let's go. Come on. Folks, there's my uncle's lawnmower salvage. No, he runs a business out here. So, that's why there's a whole bunch of lawnmowers. Bud, you want to go, Grandma's? Let's go. Let's go! Too many lawnmowers! Minus Tommy's old firework trailer. But too many lawnmowers! If y'all would you please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel? It'd help the channel out, and plus it'd be much appreciated. Thank you all for watching, and God bless.